To troubleshoot a Lennox air conditioning unit that is not cooling properly, start by inspecting the external hardware, particularly the condenser coil, for any debris such as weeds, leaves, or dust that may be blocking air circulation. If debris is found, clean the unit using a garden hose and spray nozzle. Next, verify that the thermostat is set to the correct setting, as a lower setting can prevent the unit from cooling to the desired temperature. It is also essential to check the air filter for dust and dirt, replacing it if necessary, as cleaning the filter may not resolve the issue. Additionally, ensure that the house vents and registers are clear of obstructions, such as furniture and clutter, which can hinder proper airflow. If these steps do not resolve the problem, it may be necessary to contact a technician, as the issue could be more complex. By following these steps, you can potentially fix your Lennox AC unit and restore it to proper functioning.